Samahan niyo ko as we go to another church in Quezon City. Pupunta tayo ngayon ng Katipunan Avenue papunta sa simbahang ito. Nandito ako ngayon sa Santa Maria de la Estrada na parish. This is along Katipunan Avenue, malapit sa UP Town Center. The Santa Maria de la Estrada Parish is a Roman Catholic church located at Katipunan Road, corner Pansol Street in Pansol, Quezon City, under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Cubao. It was established on January 9, 1981 by Jaime Cardinal Sin. The modern air-conditioned church serves communities near the northern strip of Katipunan Avenue, bridging Barangay Pansol and the La Vista subdivision. Medyo madilim sa simbahan nung dumating ako sapagkat, nakapatay yung ilaw at umuulan. Ngunit makikita ninyo na napakaganda ng simbahang ito. The details, in fact yung altar, napansin ko, it was shaped like wheats growing out. Ito yung itsura ng altar pag may ilaw. And I was able to roam around the church to fully immerse in its beauty and architecture. It's modern architecture, but it has a lot of stone. So medyo reminiscent of the 80s architecture ang simbahang ito. Ngunit makikita ninyo na na-preserve nila yung itsura ng simbahan. In fact, bata pa lang ako na nagpupunta dito, ganito na ang itsura ng simbahang ito. By the way, Santa Maria de la Estrada means Our Lady of the Way or Our Lady of the Road. Kapansin-pansin that this parish has preserved its original stone edifice, the wood na pinagsamang wood, stone, the architecture. Kasi in preserving it, nagkakaroon ng character yung simbahan. Flex din muna natin ang kanilang project, ang PDS 3.0. I think this is their stewardship project. Napaka-creative ng pagkakagawa, parang plate number. Heart to that! Meron na rin sila ditong columbarium na kung saan ang mga namayapa nating mahal sa buhay ay maaaring humimlay. In fact, meron akong mga malapit sa buhay na nakalibing dito sa columbarium na ito. Bata pa lang ako, nagpupunta na kami dito, ngunit nakakapunta lang ako dito pag bisita iglesia, ganun lang. Hindi ko aakalain na napakagandang simbahan ito. If you have time, come and visit this parish. It's located along Katipunan Avenue in Quezon City. Sana samahan niyo ako sa patuloy pa nating paglakbay sa iba't ibang mga simbahan tulad na lang ng Santa Maria de la Estrada. At sa uulitin, maraming salamat. Like and subscribe.